Thank you, Vince, for watching. Been a quiet 5 minutes with this heat. It's been very quiet, still waiting for that set to come in. We know it's out there. 16 minutes have passed already. Yet to get any wave here at heat number 3. After that explosive and exciting heat from heat number 2, it's been a quiet heat here at heat number 3. Just like to inform everyone that we do acknowledge that heat reset after 10 minutes of no wave taken, but look at that. We know it's out there. It's coming. Let's see who will get this one. Surfer in white, scratching on this wave and kicking out, not liking that wave. And this one. "14 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Fourteen minutes remaining. 14 minutes remaining. We will see if we will have a reset on this heat, but we still have time. Wave is coming. Big change from this morning here at Heartbreak Point. Small fish enjoying the swell. Ooh. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching this heat. 13 minutes already passed. 13 minutes already passed. For those who are watching us live, there is a sound. We're just turning it off from time to time. But again, we would like to bring out all the information that we can bring for you guys out there. We have a bit of a quiet lineup at Heartbreak Point. And I was just informed why this is called a heartbreak. If you're facing the beach, all the way to the left, the two mountains on the left is the shape of a heart when you're in the lineup. But for me, it has a different meaning already. Heartbreak, because when the swell is big and you're watching out here, it just breaks your heart. Lucky surfers out there, 2 surfers enjoying this quiet time, waiting for the swell to come up. 11 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. We've got less than 1 minute, for a reset on this heat. "11 minutes and 5 seconds. Surfers, 1 more minute for a heat reset. 1 more minute for a heat reset. So if we do have a reset, surfers, you will hear a buzzer. That sound is not the end of your heat, but it's just a reset. It's a heat reset. We will give you another 20 minutes, a fresh 20 minutes for your heat. And also we will give you a countdown before you start so you will know. 30 seconds remaining. Again, for those who are watching at the beach and online, this countdown is a countdown reset starting at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, here is a new countdown for your 20-minute reset. Surfers in the water. Judges, in 3, 2, and 1. That's a fresh reset. 20 minutes, guys. Another 20 minutes for you for heat number 3. If you just watched, if you just came just right now, we have Lemar Dalamide from Siargao versus Clifford Lumasak from Balair. Quarterfinals, heat number 3. Winner of this heat will move on to the semifinals, joining Philmar Alipayo of Siargao and Jo Marie Ibueza from La Union in quarterfinals. While there is no wave, let's entertain the live chat. PJ Buey, watching from Consuelo. Roy, shout out to Wawa Galamite. We've already had a heat reset, guys, for those who are watching. Ooh, action at the back. Here we go. Is this going to be the first wave of this heat? Surfer in white, paddling, up and riding. Now it's official. We've got one wave ridden on this heat. Big backside whack. Sometimes it does affect you waiting that long for a wave. But good thing here at Pagudpud, they have warm water out there. I know when JR Esquivel in Australia is waiting for a wave, he needs to stretch out a lot because cramps can happen with cold water. Right, but we are so lucky we have warm waters here around the Philippines. That was Surfer in white on his first wave. A 2.50 a score for his opening wave. 7 minutes and 40 seconds still on our time. Shout out to Mark, Jason, M, Lario. What's up, Nico, David? Shout out for UPSA Media Team. Here we go. We see bumps out in the water. Watchers, live watchers want some action. Here it is now. We've got actions happening in the water. Red, you have first priority, surfer in red. Ooh, red giving that wave to surfer in white. White not getting that opportunity. If I were you guys, take that wave. We'll never know when the next one will come. But again, surfer in red, you have first priority. Yet to get a wave. Surfer in white, sitting on first place with a 2.50. You might win the seat with this one. $15 and 20 seconds remaining. 15 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Surfers in the water, just like a reminder, there is no reset anymore. There is a wave taken already, and that is surfer in white, a 2.50. So there is no reset. Shout out to Wave Tails, Yilgi Grancho Lerio. Thank you for watching. Beautiful scenery here at Pagudpud. Look at all those beautiful birds flying around, watching us at heat number 3, men's open shortboard quarterfinals. They love watching surfing here at Pagudpud also. Let's see who will get this wave. People on the beach getting crazy and very loud, cheering for their beloved surfer. Let's go! Surfer in white, up and riding, backside hack. And another one. Bam! 3 turns for surfer in white. Here we go. There's so much fans at the beach. Can't hear myself anymore because it's so loud at the beach. Good job, fans. Keep it louder. Second wave for Clifford Lumasak of Baler. Yet to get his first wave. Lemar Dalamide from Siargao. Philippine 1 armed surfer, Wapang, surfer in red, up and riding. Waited a long time, needs to stretch a little bit. Incomplete on his turn. Thank you. JJ saying birang bira. Abay, ipod. Banatlong. Lemar Dalamide, you've got a fan, PJ Boy, is supporting you online. Long Long has a lot of supporter also. 12 minutes, 30 seconds remaining. Surfer in white in first with a total score of a 6.25. Here we go. Surfer in red looking at this wave. Up and riding. Backside. Vertical. And down it goes. And another chance for a turn. Foam climb. Looking at the back. That's his second wave. Surfer in red, second wave. Let's see what the judges thinks about that wave. Yimer Vargas is saying, go Marco. (11 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Surfer in white. You have priority surfer in white. Greggy wants to tell you, Birang Biraboy. (11 minutes remaining. Surfer in white sitting in first place with a 3.75 score, backing it up with a 2.50. Surfer in red, your last wave, a 3.65. 3.65, and you're looking to replace a 0.75 score. You need a 2.61 to grab that lead. Surfer in white giving up some action, up and riding with his backside whack vertical on his first turn. Incomplete. Surfer in red, you have first priority. Surfer in red with 10 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. You need a 2.61. You need a 2.61. Your last wave is a 3.65. Ten minutes remaining. 10 minutes remaining. Mike Abian is praying for a good heartbreak wave. Surfer in white, you're sitting in first place with a 3.75 and a backup score of a 2.50. 9 minutes and 15 seconds remaining, and you're in second priority. Surfer in white. After this heat, we have men's open shortboard quarterfinals, heat number 4. Robert Magalona versus Eduardo Altiso. Another good heat. Raymond, stop watching the live heat and get your jersey. You're about to start your heat. We still have 8 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. People watching it live, we still have 8 minutes and 16 seconds remaining. Guys, we'll update you live about the time. Ignore the one on the screen. Here it is, Surfer in white. Up the lip. And again, trying to be a little bit cautious on his turn on this one. Surfer in red, seeing a wave out the back. Let's see if he wants it. Now he's up and riding. Bigger wave. Whack. Vertical 12 o'clock. Big spray at the back. Foam climb, man. Ooh, here we go. Are we having a paddle battle? Here we go. The louder you get, the faster they go. Come on, fans. Show them that you support them. Seven minutes remaining. Surfer in red, still in second place. Yet to drop your last wave. Here we go. Do you see what I see? Red, you have first priority, surfer in red. Shout out Beneventura Hugo Jam. Thank you for watching, buddy. Roy is saying Bunay Lemar Long Long Bunay. Surfer in red, your last wave. A 4.50. You're now in first place, surfer in red. Surfer in white, last wave, a 3.90. But now you need a 4.26 with 6 minutes remaining. Surfer in red, you have first priority. This is where technicality comes in. How is red going to use his first priority against surfer in white, who's sitting in second, needing a 4.26 of a score with 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining in the time. Let's see how it works out. Hello, Gracia, watching us all the way from Cebu. Next heat. Look at those fans out in the water. They have been here the whole day, and they've been watching the heats since the beginning and enjoying it. Men's open shortboard quarterfinals is up next, heat number 4. 5 minutes. 5 minutes remaining. 5 minutes remaining. Surfer in white, you need a 4.26. 4.26. Surfer in red, you have first priority, surfer in red. Upcoming heat number 4, Robert Magalona from Siargao and Eduardo Alciso also from Siargao. We've got a man-to-man heat, Siargao versus Siargao on heat number 4. Rashid, shout out Siargao boys. Wina, hello. Wina Manigo, thank you for watching. We miss you. See you at Kalikoan. Here we go. 4 minutes. 4 minutes remaining. Shout out to Surfing Association of Ilocos Norte. You guys are on fire. White up and riding, looking for a 4.26. Will it be this wave? He's still riding. And that's it. We love the fans when you're loud and cheering. We love it. Three minutes and 20 seconds. 3 minutes, 20 seconds. Surfer in white, last wave of 3.15. Not enough for you to move up to first place. You need a 4.26. A 4.26 with 3 minutes remaining. 3 minutes remaining. Let's see if Surfer in white will have a chance to get that 4.26 score with 2 minutes and 40 seconds still remaining. We know we started really slow in this heat. We even had a reset, if you guys remember. But now waves are rolling in. We had a couple of waves already. Surfer in white already had 5 waves total. His high score is a 3.90 and a backup score of a 3.75. And Surfer in red leading with a 4.50 and a backup score of a 3.65 with 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining. Again, we'll never know until the last buzzer sound. People on the live chat, we're not over yet until it's over. Hold on to your seats. Surfer in white, only needing a 4.26. And we still have 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining. Gabriel Villar, shout out to UPSA, Union Paradise Surf Club. UPSC, Surfer in white, up and riding, looking for a 4.26. Putting it on air. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. Still a lots of time for Surfer in white to head back to the lineup and get that wave. Strategy going on now with Surfer in red, protecting his priority. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. Forty seconds remaining. 40 seconds remaining. Lemar Dalamides family is holding on to their seat. Can't wait for that buzzer. Full support on Lemar's family. 25 seconds remaining. 25 seconds remaining. Belong Dalamide also watching his cousin from Siargao. 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And that's it for heat number 4. Congratulations, Lemar Dalamide of Siargao. We'll see you in the semifinals. What a great heat again. Now you can breathe, family of Lemar Dalamide. Let's go in 3, 2, and... Sorry, we haven't started yet, sir. Not yet started. 3, 2, 1. Always wait for the buzzer before we start that heat. That was not counted, Surfer in white. Thank you. Yes, it is. This is Siargao versus Siargao. Robert Magaluna in red versus Eduardo Alquizo in white. On our men's open shortboard quarterfinals, heat number 4. This will be our last heat of the day. This will be the last heat of the day. We will call it off for today. We will start early tomorrow. Forecast looking good for tomorrow. Here we go. So tomorrow we will be here at 6 a.m. to give you guys more information and a possible start of a 6:30 Surfer in red up and riding. Quick turn on that one. I don't know if you're going to call that an air or a fin out maneuver, but movement at the back for Surfer in white. Raymond Magalona. How are you, man? He's expecting for an air game on this heat. Talking about tomorrow's heat. Tomorrow looking good. Forecasting 4 to 6 feet. Southwest winds. That means an offshore wind here at Pagudpud. We'll get back on that one. Surfer in white, up and riding. Two backside hacks already given on this wave. All the way near the shore. Let's see if he'll finish this strong. Remember, this is a shallow part of the wave kicking out. Good move for him. Surfer in red, you have first priority. Your first wave of 2.75. 2.75. Second wave for Surfer in red, a quick floater. Off the lip with that one. Bam. Bouncing off that white water. Let's see how he finishes this wave. And moving back. That's the second wave for Surfer in red, Robert Magaluna. Bjorn Dizon Pabon. Shout out to Chef Marco. Raymond Magalona scoring those heats, scoring those waves, and is giving White a 9-point ride. Our viewer is giving him a 9-point ride. Surfer in white, you have a 2.25 in our score sheet. And Surfer in red, yet to drop your second wave. John Vincent Ravello Camingue, shout out to Kai Kai. Fortunately, I think Kai Kai is in Australia right now. Blanche Larius, shout out to the whole tech crew. Hi, Blanche. Again, this is the last heat for today. It's been a good day for all of us here at the booth. 15 minutes and 20 seconds, surfers. 15 minutes and 20 seconds. No given priority yet. That only means you're not in the priority zone. Now we've got the battle. Here we go. Clintoy Mango, thank you for watching. Shout out from Harana Boys. What's up, Harana Boys? Say hi to Mike for me, sir. Surfer in white, you have first priority, Surfer in white. 14 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Our judge, our priority judge. Shout out all the way from Cabanatuan, Jonel Benaventura. Thank you for watching, everyone. Our situation, Surfer in red, last wave of 4.25 and a back score of a 2.75. You have a 7.0 total score, sitting in first place. Surfer in white, only offering a one wave. We're still yet to see a second wave. You need a 4.75 with 13 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Surfer in white, you have first priority. CJ, shout out sa Tuesday na guwapo. Harold is watching us all the way from Alabang, USA. Coach Raymond Magaluna saying to Omar, right now, sabi. Here we go. We will see what the priority judge thinks about that situation. Surfer in red, you have first priority. Surfer in red, first priority. Surfer in red. That is a priority judge call. Con, shout out from Diet. All right, here we go. That situation. Watching the replay, you did paddle on that wave, Surfer in white. That is the reason why you lost your priority. Priority judge awarding Surfer in red. Good call by the priority judge. Seen in the replay, it is a good call. 12 minutes remaining in your heat. Surfer in red up and riding, taking right, listening to his coach, Raymond Magluna. Taking one turn on that one. Here we go. Surfer in white now looking at this wave. Taking the right. Giving a big turn on that one. Giving all his anguish on that priority decision on this wave, which is a good idea. What a wave by Surfer in white. That's how you bring out that anger. You bring it out on that wave. That's what we're talking about. Let's see if the judges like that though. 11 minutes and 20 seconds remaining on this last heat of the day. Men's Open Shortboard quarterfinals heat number 4. Shout out to, I can't even read your name, but he's watching all the way from Negros Oriental. John Vincent, reminding everybody, relax. All right, here we go. We're still locking in on that exchange from Surfer in red and Surfer in white. Here we go. Surfer in red, your last wave, a 4.25. You remain in first place. Surfer in white, last wave, a 4.50. That was a better exchange on red. White getting the better of that wave. Still needing a 2.5, Surfer in white. You only need a 2.5 score with 9 minutes, 40 seconds remaining. Surfer in red, you have first priority, Surfer in red. Shout out to Vladimir watching us from Alaska, Mambaling, Cebu City. Salamat. Thank you for watching. Enjoying this heat at Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte. Heartbreak point. Big difference from last heat. Last heat we had a reset. This heat non-stop wave rolling for them. Again, that's how quick it changes here in this break, but just an amazing, amazing spot to go to for surfing. And the best thing, it's a right and a left wave. An incomplete air for Surfer in red. Surfer in white, you now have first priority, needing only a 2.5 with 8 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. 8 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. You need a 2.5. So important information for the surfers out there, especially if you want to go move on to the semifinals. You have to be wise on your priority, wave choices, and of course, the way you treat that wave. You have to be. Shout out Tuesday, Salvador. Time remaining 7 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. 7 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Our situation, Surfer in red, you're currently sitting in first place with a 4.25 and a 2.75 for your backup score. Surfer in white, you have a 4.5 and a backup score of a 2.25. You need to replace that with a 2.5 to make it to the semifinals. You still have 7 minutes remaining and you're holding on to first priority. Shout out Belmar Calban from Jordan Calipini. Surfer in white up and riding. Looking like an air here. A completed air. And down he goes. Surfer in white. Looking for a 2.5. Let's see if he gets that. 2.5 with 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Surfer in red holding on to first priority. Shout out for Tawin Tawin Surf Spot. Tawin Tawin Surf Spot. If this is Siargao Tawin Tawin, basakan ang surf spot. Red up and riding now with a bigger smack on that wave. Looking to build up in the inner part of this wave. Not seeing that build up kicking out. 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Surfer in white, last wave. 2.50, enough for you to climb up to first place. Surfer in white, you're currently in first place with a 4.50 and a backup score of a 2.50. Surfer in red, you're currently in second place. You only need a 2.76. You only need a 2.76. 5 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. 5 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Sorry. Five minutes remaining. Very, very close heat. Surfer in red only need a 2.76. And Surfer in white wanting to replace his 2.50 backup score so that it will be a bigger margin for Surfer in white. But we'll see. Surfer in white using his priority on this wave. 12 o'clock on that first hack, and down he goes. Surfer in red, you have first priority situation. Surfer in red, last wave, a 3.60. A 3.60. You're now in first place, back in first place. Surfer in white, you only need a 3.35. Surfer in white, you only need a 3.35. 4 minutes remaining. 4 minutes remaining. Here we go. Crunch time, guys. 3.35 is easy to get on this quality waves and good surfers out there. Hold on to your seat. Free surfers, make sure you're not in the way of this heat. We still have 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Thank you for that acknowledgement. Red, looking at this wave, using his priority, going to the right. Vertical on one maneuver wave. Ezra, thank you for watching, Ezra. How are you guys there in GL? Surfer in white needing a 3.35. Three minutes remaining. 3 minutes remaining. Surfer in white, you need a 3.35. You need a 3.35. Shout out to Botchoy Surf Shop, Ben Antolin. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 2 minutes. 30 seconds remaining. Surfer in white needing a 3.35. This heat, we will know who, we'll see who will join the semifinals together with Lemar Dalamide, Felmar Alipayo, and Jo Marie Ebueza for our men's open shortboard quarterfinals tomorrow. 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining. Priority goes to Surfer in white. Surfer in white, you have first priority, needing a 3.35. What's up, Esra? Thank you for watching. Shout out to Miguel Dolores Arubio. Ooh, here we go. I think we will have a chance to see if Surfer in white will get the 3.35 he needs. Really close to him, Surfer in red. Crunch time, go boys. Here we go. Let's see if Surfer in white gets this one, and he did. Surfer in white up and riding, needing a 3.35. First hack on that wave. A little bit wobble on that one, building it up. Very shallow part of the wave. Kicking out. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. Did he get that wave? What do you guys think? People watching. Ivan Nagalo. What do you think, man? Did he get that 3.35 score on that wave? 40 seconds. 45 seconds remaining. Again, he needs a 3.35. Surfer in red. Wanting to improve his 3.60 backup score. Wave not giving it to him. You still have time, Surfer in white. 30 seconds remaining. 30 seconds remaining. 25 seconds remaining. Fifteen seconds remaining. 15 seconds remaining. Countdown begins. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shout out to Judge Philemon from Jorn Pabon. Shout out from Judge Philemon. And that is it for day number 2 on our Surfin at Pagudpud at Ilocos Norte. What a great heat to end the day. Congratulations, Robert Magalona of Siargao, going to the semifinals together with Lemar Dalamide, Philmar Alipayo, and Jo Marie Ebueza. We've got 3 surfers from Siargao and 1 from La Union on that semi-final round for our men's open shortboard. Tomorrow, we'll be here at 6 a.m. giving you guys the call of a possible 6:30 start. Forecast is looking good. 4 to 6 feet offshore winds. Again, thank you guys for joining us. We will thank the sponsors later on. Good job, judges. Good job, UPSA. Good job, media team, for our live stream. Thank you for everyone.
Around the world, they've been surfing for 60 plus years. For us, it's relatively new. First time that we had all come together under this United Philippine Surfing Association. Surfing it is an Olympic event. The potential for a Filipino to get very far in surfing is there. It takes a village to raise a child. It takes the Philippines to raise surfing. Competitive surfing is more than just a lifestyle, it's actually a job, and that's the way we need to approach it, and that's the way we did approach it. In the short term, we need to compete. We need to compete in our country, we need to compete in other countries. We need to be exposed to surfing across the Philippines. And that is exactly what we're doing. 2022, we went aggressively into competition mode. We had 4 legs in 3 months. An international event in Siargao. We had our national event in Siargao, Belair, Borongan and Cabugao. We were able to host the first ever WSL longboard and shortboard combined event down on the beautiful Mona Lisa Point in La Union. The local talent shone with J.R. Esquivel taking out the inaugural longboard WSL event right there on his home break. This wasn't possible without the support of NextGen and RD Jeff Ortega, Region 1 DOT. Since the announcement of surfing in the Olympics, amazing things have happened in our sport. We've put our focus on the youth. We have a caravan that goes around the Philippines. We go from province to province and train them and educate them on how to become Philippines' greatest surfers. We want to raise up athletes who will raise up gold for the Philippines. The joy of success and the passion of winning. We want to mix this all together and showcase the talent we have right here in the Philippines.
The United Philippine Surfing Association would not be able to do this without the support of NextGen. Maraming salamat.
Ladies and gentlemen, Philippine Tourism Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco.
Marag sakana, unay nga ada ita ditoy Ilocos Norte.
Masaya po ang bayan ng Pagudpud, ma'am, sir. Etong regalo ninyo sa ating maagang pamasko, ma'am.
Pumunta po ako dito, kasama ko yung buong leadership natin sa Department of Tourism para po i-relay sa inyo kung gaano kaseryoso yung intention natin.
Ken naragsak a Pasko kada tayo amin Ilocos Norte.
Pleasant morning to each and everyone po sa inyo lahat and welcome to our TRA groundbreaking ceremony for today.
is really a special, special night. Not only because it is a night that we are together, because we have wonderful visitors that will truly experience the warmth of the Ilocano Christmas.
We dance through the night in our bones, we can feel it.
Through the establishment of the tourist rest area, we can signal a very bright future indeed for Ilocos Norte.
We'll light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We'll light up. Eyes open wide in the world.
We are here today to launch the tourism rest area for the province of Ilocos Norte, to utilize tourism as a major economic pillar for the recovery of the Philippines.
We'll light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We'll light up.
Ilocos Norte will finally be put on the map in terms of regional tourism, and we look forward to partnering with DOT and TIESA to do so.
And we join you in celebrating the hope and the joy of the Christmas season.